Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a file. Now this is a file I have made. You can keep your papers in this slot. Have these slots here so that the paper does not fall out. And when you close it, you can tie it. This is a thick string I have used. You can also use a satin ribbon. This is a file. I have used this thin carton box. This is a health drink box I have used for the main base of the file. On it, on the top, I have stuck a cloth. You can also stick handmade paper instead of the cloth. And for the inside, I have stuck it with thick chart paper. You can also use handmade paper on this. So let's start making this. I will first take this health drink box and open the box. I will cut open the box. You can also take a cereal box. Now I'll make a smaller version. If you don't have any of these kind of carton box, you can take your old file, which is not good. If you have any old file, you can take that, and on this you can stick something. You can decorate it with either cloth or some good paper on it. So let's start this one. I'll cut the edges, trim the edges properly. I'll make it of this size. So I'll cut off this. So I have cut off this. Now on the top, instead of a cloth, I'm going to stick this painted paper. So I'll apply glue on this. This painted paper is bigger than the file that I'm making, so I'll just fold it on the other side. So I'll just fold this and stick. So for folding, I'll cut little slits here so that it's easy for folding and sticking. So I'll stick all these three now. So I've applied glue and I'll fold it inwards and stick. On the back side also I'll stick with a similar paper. So I'll first stick this part. If you're using a cloth, if you are sticking a cloth, make sure that you use fabric glue, not Fevicol. Fevicol is for paper. If you are sticking a cloth, you need fabric glue. So the same way I'll cover this part also, the back side. I will cut a little bit extra so that we can fold this and stick inside. Same way, cut a little bit of slit so that it's easy for folding and sticking. So fold these three parts and stick. If you have a bigger paper, you can easily cover the whole part in just one paper and fold it inwards and stick it. So now the outside part of the file is covered. Now let's cover the inside part. Again, you can use just one sheet of chart paper and stick it, or else now I'm going to stick it with craft papers which are a little decorative. So just apply glue. You can also cover it with the thick gift wrapping papers that we get, not the thinner ones, the thicker ones, so that it looks good from the outside also. So I'll stick it here and I'll cut off the extra from here. Same way I will stick this part also. And I will cut off the extra. I've cut off the extra part. Now both outside and the inside part are covered properly in good paper. Now when we keep something inside, it should not fall out. Something smaller, when you keep it here, it should not fall out. That's why we need two flaps here. Or else you can also make it like a file which fits inside. So I will make a little fan folding here. Same way, I'll need two of these. I'll stick one here and one here, and then I'll stick another paper on it so that it's like a compartment. So for making this compartment, I'm going to use another thin cardboard, or you can take thick chart paper. So we need to cover this also. I will cover it with a craft paper. So I have cut off exactly how much I need. I'll cover it with this paper. Apply glue on this thin cardboard. And stick the paper on it. I just fold these two parts and stick it at the back. Now I will stick these two papers here, and on it I will stick this so that it becomes a flap here. I'll also stick a paper here. Now apply glue on all these three surfaces. 1, 2 and 3. And then stick this cardboard on it. I have stuck it now. So the file opens like this, and you have a compartment here. When we have fan foldings here, you can keep many papers inside. And when you close it, it will not fall off from any side. You can have a satin ribbon and tie it like this. You can also secure the satin ribbon at the back at one point so that it doesn't go away anywhere. You just open this and you have your artwork in it. So this is a file you can make which is thin cardboard.